Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I am going to take retirement of partner chapter 4 12th standard. So before this also I have taken illustrations 1 2 3 4. So if you want you can check out my playlist or the videos into my YouTube account. So let's get started, but if you are new to my channel don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. Do share with your friends and don't forget to hit like. So come on, let's get started. Illustration 5. Balance sheet of Vaishali, Madhuri and Menka was as follows. Partners share profit and losses in the ratio 3:3:3. Here is the balance sheet given and adjustments are over here. So what we'll do, we'll put a star mark on all the adjustments which are related to the balance sheet, okay, so that it will be nice for us, and we can write it in the inner column, and the calculation further will be easier. Vaishali retired from the business on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. The asset were revalued as under: furniture valued at 14,000, motor car 23,800, machinery. So adjustment is on furniture, motor car, machinery. Furniture, motor car, machinery. Will put a star mark so that it will be easier for us for calculation and also datas. Okay. Next, the goodwill of the firm to be valued at rupees 15,000. However, only Vaishali share in it is to be raised in the books. A part payment of rupees 10,000 be made to Vaishali and balance be transferred to a loan account. So we'll be doing this at the time of solving. So let's get started. We'll start posting the liability side given. Okay, so first is capital Vaishali, Madhuri, Menka. So we'll write it in the, and I have also created all the accounts. See, you can see over here in the books of traders. Okay. Here Vaishali, Madhuri, here it will go by balance brought down, and Vaishali is 28,700, Madhuri is 31,800, this is 28,700, 31,800, and this Menka is 30,000. Okay. Next, creditors 10,500. So it will go in the balance sheet. Creditors, liability side, how much? 10,500. Okay. Bank overdraft 5,000. So under creditors, bank overdraft 5,000. Next, we have general reserve 12,000. So we'll be distributing it between the partners by general reserve. In the ratio of profit sharing 3:3:3. It means all it's equal, isn't it? Equal share. So 12,000 divided by 3, will be getting it, after calculation will be getting it as 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. Okay, 4,000, 4,000 and 4,000. It's equal, so that's why. The next, now liability side is done. We'll move towards asset side. Machinery 40,000. So let's go in the asset side. Machinery, we'll leave one line. Okay, machinery 40,000. We'll be leaving one line for further calculations. Okay, so we'll leave one line for calculation. Next, after machinery, it is furniture 15,000. Furniture 15,000. Then after furniture we have motor car 25,000. Motor car, how much it is? 25,000. Then after motor car we have debtors 16,000. Debtors 16,000. Then cash 19,500. So cash we are writing here. How much it is? 19,500. Okay, if suppose further calculations are there, we'll be writing it inside. Then profit and loss account 4,500. So this profit and loss will go in the partners capital account to profit and loss account. Will distribute this 4,500 equally between all these partners. So we get 1,500 each. Okay, 4,500 divided by 3. Then next, okay, so we have done the posting of balance sheet. Now we'll move towards the adjustment. Vaishali retired from the business on 1st April 2019 on the following terms. The assets were revalued as under. So furniture 14,000. Furniture 14,000. 14,000. Okay. So means 1,000 is been depreciated. So this depreciation will go in the revaluation account. Debtors to furniture account 1,000. Next, motor car 23,800. Motor car 23,800 means it is being depreciated also. This one also depreciation of how much? 25,000 minus 23,800. So it means 1,200 depreciation has been done. Now this depreciation will go in your debit side to what? Motor car. How much? 1,200. Next, machinery 38,000. Machinery 38,000. Okay, 38,000. It means this is also depreciated minus DPR depreciation of 38 means 2000 is done, isn't it? So we'll write to machinery account. Here also we'll be writing account. Okay, how much? 2000. Now RDD to be maintained up to 5% on debtors. So RDD debtors minus RDD, how much? 5%. So we'll calculate 5% of this 16,000. So that comes 800. And in outer column we get 15,200. Okay, until now I hope you must have understood how to calculate all these things, isn't it? So 800 and we get 15,000. Now this RDD will go in over here. So it will go in the credit side, RDD by RD, because already in question see 2000 has been deducted RDD. So from this 2000 will minus 800. So we will be getting 1200. Okay, so we'll write 12 because already some reserve was done. So we'll be deducting 1200 from that, 800 from that 2000, and we'll be getting 1200. Next, goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 15,000. However, only Vaishali's share in it is to be raised in the books. So we'll have to calculate the share of Vaishali, means 15,000. All are sharing equal amount of profit and loss. So 15,000 divided by 3 will be getting goodwill of Vaishali. So in the partners account we'll be writing by goodwill 5,000 Vaishali. And it is what more it is said, share I raised in the books. It has to be raised, it means it will go in the asset side, goodwill 5,000. Next, then a part payment of rupees 10,000 be made to Vaishali and balance to be transferred to her loan account, means 10,000 we are paying to her, isn't it? So first what we'll be doing, we are Vaishali is getting cash of 10,000, so 2 cash we are paying her. So 2, how much? 10,000 was it? 10,000. Okay, Vaishali, and this 10,000 will be giving from cash. So from this cash will minus 10,000. So that gives in the outer column 9,500. Now a part payment of rupees 10,000 be made, a balance to be transferred to her loan account, means whatever balance will be getting is it is to be transferred to loan account. But first what we'll do, we'll close profit and loss adjustment account. Whatever profit and losses there are, they'll be sharing between all the partners. So here I get 4,200, here also I get 4,200, and balance I will getting 3,000. Now this 3,000 I'll have to distribute between by partners capital account. What it is? Loss, and it has to be distributed between all partners. So Vaishali then next is Madhuri, and all will be sharing equally, so 1,000 they'll be getting, isn't it? 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Now this will be sharing, this loss will be transferring it to the partners debit side, to profit and loss adjustment account, loss 1,000, 1,000 each, 1,000, 1,000 and 1,000. okay, now we'll be closing. Now what first will close? Who is retiring? Vaishali. So Vaishali's account will be closing. It gives 37,700. Here also will be getting 37,700, and the it has to be transferred to loan. So to loan Vaishali. So balance we get is 25,200. Now we'll be closing other partners, okay, account. So Madhuri is 35,800. Here also will write 35,800, and balance to balance carried down 33, this will get, and here also I have 34,000. here I'll be writing 34,000, and balance I get 31,500. Now this balance I will be transferring it to balance sheet as capital. Sorry, first I'll write loan of Vaishali. We are paying her, no, loan. It is, we got 25,200, and capital of continuing partner Madhuri and Menka. Okay, so how much it was? 33,300 and 31,500. okay, so total we get in the outer side as 00568. Okay, wait. 008, then 3 plus 1 4, and 3 3 6, 64,800, isn't it? 005,678, 3 plus 1 4 and 3 3 6, 64,800. okay, now just see whether we are able to tally this or not. Okay, so we get the total as 1,05,500. it is tallied. okay, 1,05,500. so I hope you have understood this problem. For more calculations and more clarity for the steps, you also view my other past videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.